Hello, hi. Yeah, just wanted to share with you a couple of other things today about. I think it's another positive news for everyone, and it's about the spiraling of the wages. Like meaning increasing of salaries. Usually, when that happens, it's because there are just a lot more job vacancies. There are a lot of job vacancies, and there's just not enough applicants. And then to do that, right, the companies have to pinch staff from another company, or they have to offer higher hourly rates. Like as you can see in some companies like Amazon and all that, um, they are doing even like USD $25 per hour for part timers and all that. So that is actually also inflationary pressure for the market because it creates wealth in people, even though currently right now inflation exceeding or could be exceeding or matching the price wages rise. Um, as you can see, that there were price wages rise quite significant. Even like McDonald's, they had to actually um, you know even pay you like USD $50 just to attend an interview. That's how desperate employers are to get people back on board to work. And with the work from home culture and all that happening, right? Plus people's wealth effect, earning money from crypto and all this side hustle that's giving them extra income. The drive to go back to the job market is actually getting less and less. So it makes salary uh, goes up. So I think if you look at my previous videos, there are actually quite a lot of different what do you call it uh, about the creator of the wealth effect, household wealth effect, because of the $5 trillion wipeout from the stock market as well as crypto. As you can see, there are many millennials exposed to crypto as well as or stable coins for that matter, Luna, Terra, those things, right? And you get the more adult people into the stocks or even options. Definitely, there is the last 7 to 8 weeks of wipeout in the market, with even the slightest bad news would wipe out 2% from the Nasdaq or Dow Jones, or even the small medium cap Russell. You will see a 5 to 6% down for 7 to 8 consecutive weeks. Yeah, there could be a little bit more to come, but as I mentioned before in my earlier video, there's a lesser risk of a down, and there's a higher possibility of an up. So what I'm trying to say that this also has a spillover effect, spillover positive effect, whereby people will go back to the jobs market. Um, yeah, so I just want to show you some. 1 second. Yeah, as you can see, there were some very funny uh, cartoons and all that coming out after the crypto stablecoin clashes, right? Where you can see McDonald's like posting up a wait, yeah, some funny images. I just want to show you some funny ones. Like this one, hey, crypto bros, we are hiring and all that. So it's kind of, they are actually good sign. It shows that the Fed are actually working behind the scene. As I mentioned, yeah, Fed got actually different tools, but of course the market has are just pretty much focusing on their role on constantly increasing interest rate 0.5% basis point for, well, at least another few times until it reaches 2.5 or 2.8 or 2.75%. But actually there are other tools as well, And of course, market has been very skeptical and keep saying things like there has to be a Paul Volcker kind of interest rates increase, i.e., if inflation is 8%, the interest rate has to be 9%. Very straight line textbook kind of way of looking at things, which I really don't agree. And I think I'll say that the Fed is powerless in curbing inflation, which is true. Most of it are geopolitical issue, which are G to G issue, especially on the supply base side. But definitely, Fed is actually doing their work really well, and I think Power is doing really well on the demand side. So, yeah, yes, that's all for today. And I just want to show you that, explain to you that these wages spiraling effect that will be reduced. You will see them in definitely in June and July onwards, which will definitely help to improve the market and create more positive news in the months ahead. So thank you very much for watching, and hope you like the video, and please subscribe and like. Thanks a lot.